Hello everyone, welcome to another video on Tutorials Hub channel. My name is Steen. Today I will show you how to make a full song with Suno AI. Now Suno AI is one of the best ways to create songs with AI. It's probably one of the best tools out there to create a full song for absolutely free. So what we're going to do is first we're just going to go here and let's just use this as an example. So obviously we'll just hit create here. Now once we create, obviously we'll need to log in, so I'll just go here and log in with one of my accounts here. I'll just hit continue. Now from here, obviously, this will be the song, right? Profiles are now live, so we can choose a display name and claim the handle as well. If you want to do it, I'll just delete that. And as you can see right here, we have a couple of songs. We can also create a custom-made song, custom mode. We can put a custom mode and then create a custom-made song, or we can also put the instrumental. So let's just hear this one.
To see you again. Can't wait. Time's ticking.
Okay, so this is basically a part of the song, right? If you want, we can basically go here and we can use this song. So for example, if we click on this song, we can click instrumental. We can click V2 or V3 if you want. Custom mode, we can use custom mode. We can enter our own lyrics here. So obviously if you want, you can enter your own lyrics. I'll not do that, but you can do that and just select which one you like. Let's play this one.
Can't wait. Can't wait. To see you again. Can't wait.
Okay, so this one is better. Let's just go with this one. Let's click create here. Now, obviously, once we go here and once we click create, we'll have to wait a little bit until this is completely finished. Now, once this is completely finished, what we can do is we can extend the track here. Obviously, we can use some random style. We can extend here, whatever we want. We can just hit extend here, and this will extend it to another song down below, right? So here you can actually go and you can download this as an audio or as a video, right? So here you can see the verse. If you want to make like a very long song, you will need to enter lyrics. Now you can use ChatGPT for this, and the more lyrics you have, the longer the song will be. And obviously it depends what song you want to create, right? If you want to create a song without lyrics, it will be very hard to create it for 3 or 4 minutes. But with lyrics, you can just add lyrics here and then it will be much easier. From there, you just go here and download audio. Once you download audio, that's pretty much it. You'll have it here. As you can see, 55 seconds. Obviously, if we had lyrics much longer, we would definitely be able to have a song much longer. So that's basically how you can, the only way how you can, make a full song with Suno AI. If you have any questions or comments, you can comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.